Here's a quick video on how you can do diagnostics on your car with Carista. Let's say you have a warning light or you just want to check if everything is fine with your car. All you need to do is plug in the Carista OBD adapter here and then open the app, press connect. It'll connect to your OBD adapter and then connect to the vehicle identified by itself. You don't need to input the type of vehicle or anything like that. It's all automatic in Carista. And then you see the main screen, which shows you the main features in the app. Just go into Diagnose and wait for it to load. It's a one-click action. If the car has any faults, you will see them listed here. So right now, there are 2 faults in the instrument cluster. I can click on that to expand it. And here's the description, here's the code. If you need more information, you can tap on that and it launches a Google search. And that way you can find out whether it's an important problem and how to fix it. If you need to reset the faults, just press reset and they'll go away. If they come back, that means the issue that caused those trouble codes is not actually solved. So you need to fix something in the car itself. But other than that, the faults should go away and you'll be good to go. Any lights on the dash should go out as well, and you'll be able to drive off. That's it. Simple as that. Pretty much a one-click action on Carista. We try to make things simple and usable by anybody.